And in today's video, we will see where is the Hoover dryer reset button, how to find and use it. So, firstly, we will see where is the Hoover dryer reset button. The location depends on your Hoover dryer model. Most Hoover dryer do not have a reset button on the control panel. Instead, the reset function is usually built into the thermal safety, thermostat, and thermal cutoff. Washer dryer models, the thermostat is usually located inside the top or rear section of the appliances, with a small button in the center. Now, how to use the reset button. Turn off the dryer and unplug it from the power outlet. Allow the appliances to cool down for at least 10 to 15 minutes and remove the appropriate access panel if required. Now locate the thermostat with the small reset button and press the button firmly. If you hear or feel a click, the thermostat has reset successfully. Reassemble the panel, reconnect power and test the dryer. Goodbye.